The Razer Kiyo has a weak hinge that often breaks. I decided to fix mine. I used a UV resin I bought from a craft store along with a UV light I got from a cell phone screen protector. Cure a small strip of resin on a piece of tape and cut it down to be able to fit inside the hinge of the Kiyo. Take the top cover off the webcam. On the opposite side of the hinge, there is a small tooth and groove that fit together. Keep this in mind later when trying to place the hinge down so it lays flush. First, push the small metal piece toward the camera and add resin with a toothpick. Cure this to stop it from moving away from the hinge. Use a small magnet to bring the hinge out of the Kiyo. At this point, insert the resin strip inside the hinge to tighten it up. Rotate the metal hinge until it can latch onto the metal piece with the resin strip in a position that it can be cut later. At this point, you should test the hinge. You can make a thicker strip if it's still too loose. Once you like how the hinge feels, add resin to the joint and then let it cure. Replace the cover. You may want to glue it down at this point. Cut the resin strip away for a cleaner look. There you have it. The Kiyo latch is now fixed and should once again work as normal. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you found this useful.